Hi guys, in at Paintech. I just want to say a massive thanks to our lovely friends at Graco. For what? Well, we obviously do a lot of plaster courses and we do a lot of plaster. So what they've done is they've sent us a lovely set of their new blades. Right, so what we're going to do is let's have a look what we've got. I mean, firstly, the case is really good. Everything's in one place. It's got a lovely sponge. So in all fairness, it's jam-packed. It's like there's too much in here. I think what I'm going to have to do is open it up and find the best configuration for fitting everything in. You know, will I put the pole in here? Probably not. I'll probably carry that as a separate entity, giving myself a bit more space in there. So this is obviously the extension pole for when we're doing the ceilings and larger areas. This obviously clips on to the blades. It's got little connectors here. You just push them down and you're away. So what we're going to do is, let's have a look. Right, so we've opened it up. Oh my God, there's literally every size imaginable. I mean, we've obviously got the two spats, which are really good. Okay, for obviously cleaning the blades, really good. So let's look at it, what we got. Okay, we got old school, which is 6 inch, okay, 15 centimeters, 25 centimeters, 35, 45, 60 centimeters, okay, which is a 2-footer. That's just under 3 foot, that's an 80, and just under 4 foot is 100. I mean, seriously guys, look, serious amount of kit. That's every size imaginable from just under a 4 foot. We're gonna use these today, and we've got so much spray plaster kicking off today. We're gonna use this throughout the course and really get to grips. I mean, look at it, dainty little thing. So this is a serious bit of kit. Thank you. Excellent, love it. Graco, honestly, it's like Christmas. Thank you very much.